Welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. We are still on the topic simultaneous equation. We are having a question. Let's see how best we can provide an answer to that. X plus y equals to 8 and that of xy equals to negative 33. We have to solve these two equations simultaneously. You can see that one of the equations is a multiple of the variable. The variable are multiplying. So it means that this method can only be solved by substitution method. You can either make x or y the subject in the first equation and substitute in the second, or make x or y the subject in the second equation and send back into the first equation. Pause the video, try providing answer to this before we continue. So let's label the equation. So an equation. So in this, I would like to make x the subject in the second equation. So make 2, meaning I'm going to divide through by y in order to make x stand alone. So x is going to be equals to minus 33 over what? Y. So that becomes our new equation, equation 3. What do? We put this back into equation 1 that we did not touch. So now that is going to be, wherever I see x, I put in minus 33 over y plus y equals to what? 8. And you can see that this equation contains what? The same variable, that is y. And there's a fraction. So what do? I collect the fraction by using the LCM. In this case, it is only y. That will be our LCM. So if you multiply through y times minus 33 over y times y equals to 8 times what? Y. And per that calculation, y will cancel y. You'll be left with minus 33. Then here become plus y squared equals to 8y. Can you see that the variable now is single power and power of 2? That simply means you're having what? A quadratic equation. So this will generate into quadratic. Let's arrange it in order. That is going to be y squared, this is coming here, minus 8y, we already have our negative 33 here, equals what? 0. So we are going to solve this equation by finding the factors of negative 33. When you add, you should get negative 8. And I believe those factors will be 11 times 3 is 33. Since this is negative, it means the biggest or the largest factor will take the negative sign. That will be the 11. So I'll be having y squared minus 11y plus 3y minus 33 equals what? 0. So that becomes grouping method. So let's group the first two. Y squared, 11y. In this, then we take 3y minus 33 also equals to 0. So now let's find the common factor. The common factor of y squared and 11y. I believe that to be only y. So y into bracket, y minus, meaning y squared divided by y, you will get what? Y. The 11y divided by y will also give you 11. Common factor here for 3y and 33 will be 3. So let that 3 be outside. Divide this by 3, you'll be left with y. 33 divided by 3, I believe you get 11. All equals what? 0. So you can see the bracket are the same, meaning that is a common factor. So let's take the common factor out. Y minus 11 as a common factor. This is the only thing left, plus what? 3 equals to 0. Now since they are multiplying, it means one of the bracket is equal to 0, or the other one also equal 0. Meaning from here, y minus 11 equals 0, or y plus 3 equal 0. So right away, we are going to have our y equals 11, or what? Minus 3. So in this case, the value of y is known as 2 factors. So what do? We need to get the value of what? X. But we have x in this case. So we take it this way. when y equals to 11, what will be the value of x? That is putting into equation 3. You are going to have x equals to minus 3 over what? Y, which is 11. And I believe that will give us a value of negative 3. Then let's take the next one. When your y is equals to the minus 3, what will be the value of x? X will be equals to minus 33 over what? Our y, which is going to be minus what? 3. And that will give us 11. That simply means that the value of x is either 11 or minus 3. Then the value of y is also either 11 or minus 3. You can see that. So we can say both are having, the numbers are going to be negative 3 and what? 11. That will be the values of x and y. That will satisfy these two equations. I believe you followed. If you do, like, share, and comment. And if you are new, consider subscribing to get videos of this kind. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.